I'm literally standing on the border of Boston and Brookline here in front of 34 Hackensack Road. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and I'm going to show you our brand new listing. Just down the street from Allendale Farm, Putterham Circle, West Roxbury Center is this lovely home in a great location with a lot to offer. This colorful home not only features an updated kitchen, but 2 full bathrooms and hardwood floors. To top it all off, on this entry level, you have direct access from your garage, a full bathroom, a laundry room, and this wonderful family room. Well, thank you very much for taking a look at Dwell360's newest listing here at 34 Hackensack Road. I'm John Lynch, and if you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact us. We can be found at Dwell360.com.